You can see that I am just starting to unroll my crescent roll sheet here. If you can't find a crescent roll sheet, just go ahead and get those crescent rolls, and then you can just kind of mend, just like I'm gonna do to this little gap here, right, like so with your fingers. Now you wanna push this all over the bottom of your baking sheet. It should be enough to spread out completely over the bottom. Oh, this is gonna be so good, you guys. You wanna come in with some ranch dressing next. What? Yes, I am thinking about the Super Bowl here. I'm thinking about football. And did you know, I think that they say that you actually eat more calories during the Super Bowl than they do Thanksgiving. Did you know that sort of thing?
Sheesh.
I know, right? So as soon as you have the amount of ranch that you want, you're gonna spread it right over top of that dough. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just kind of do it from side to side, and this is going to be fantastic. Really easy and delicious. Little appetizer here, finger food to throw together. And like I said, I am thinking about game day. So tell me, who is winning the Super Bowl? I want to hear all about it. Ooh, when that dough gets fluffy, that ranch is going to bake right into it. Now I'm going to add some mozzarella cheese right on top here. And you know what else? Of course, I'm thinking you could probably use pizza dough if you wanted. I really like the crescent dough. I think that it is flaky and buttery, and it just goes so good with what we're throwing together here today. So far we have some ranch right down on here, and now I am just piling on some mozzarella cheese. Oh, it's gonna be so delicious. I can't wait to have some of this. I am getting hungry. It is past my lunchtime. Okay, so on top of that, we are gonna now throw some cheddar. So I'm giving it a little mix between a mozzarella and a cheddar, really kind of putting more mozzarella than cheddar. But of course, you can change this up. There's probably plenty other cheeses. Maybe if you wanna do something spicy, you'll add a little bit of a pepper jack. I bet that would be really great. But I'm just gonna kind of keep it a little bit more mild and use the mozzarella and the cheddar. This is when it gets exciting. Dill pickle chips. Wow, they pair so good with that ranch dressing and then some cheese. You can choose any pickle chips that you want. So this is nice and fun and customizable. You could do something a little bit more on the spicier side, or maybe you have a favorite brand. I don't know. What kind of pickles do you tend to get? Do you like the fresh ones? Maybe you even make them yourself. I don't know. And maybe you have a go-to. I feel like this is kind of a really good one that they have. What is this called here? What's this called, Bam?
Grillos.
Grillos. Okay, so David said, hey, you need to get those pickles. Those are really good. So that's what we're rolling with today. I do enjoy them a lot, but anything will do. So just grab the pickles that you like the best and throw them on top of your delicious little pickle pizza we're making here. Yum. All right, you guys, this will go really nicely. So we're gonna add some dill weed right here on top. Oh, this is gonna carry that pickle flavor through the entire ranch pickle pizza here that we're making. Or I don't even know if you'd call it a pizza if you're not using pizza dough or red sauce or whatever. But not to be technical or not, we're just making delicious food over here. So I'm gonna sprinkle as much dill as you want on there. I love dill, and I think it just goes so good with the rest of these flavors. So I'm gonna make sure that we have a little bit of that in every bite, just like the pickles. Little bit right there. Okay, perfect. Now I have my oven heated already at 350. I'm gonna pop this in there for about 12 to 13 minutes and stick around. You're gonna love this new little twist on your average pizza. Delicious. Yummy. Ooh-wee. It smells like dill pickle up in here. Look at that. Holy cow, do I even need to say anything? It looks absolutely delicious. The house smells amazing. All right, we're just gonna slide it right out, right on our cutting board here. Oh, the perfect amount of crispiness. That looks so good. Upgrade your Super Bowl day, right? I think I am gonna get these two pickles right here. I've been eyeing them out right in the front. Oh, a little crunch to the crust. I see that ranch. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about here. A dill pickle ranch, I don't know, pizza, appetizer, what do you call it? I'm not sure, but it doesn't matter, right? Let's see how it is. Oh my gosh, I need to have another bite. Wow, you know what? I remember when I was a kid and my grandma used to make these cream cheese pizzas with the crescent roll and the cream cheese and the veggies on top, and you serve it cold. I don't know if you know what I'm talking about.
This totally reminds me of it. The flavor of the ranch dressing with the dill, it like hits the spot. Oh my gosh, I love it. The mixture of the cheddar with the mozzarella, I also love, but of course you can switch that up. And the pickle still has like a little bit of a crunch to it as you're eating it, and it is so good. The texture is amazing. I absolutely love this easy appetizer, you guys. What do you have anything famous that you make for football Sunday or for the Super Bowl? I want to hear all about it. Let me know what you think about this easy appetizer, or maybe you're going to eat it for lunch or dinner. I don't know. There are no rules, right? Let me know what you think, and if you're going to do anything different, we'll see you guys later. Enjoy.